Hey there, Nick with Dine Company. Any area where food is being prepared or served should be considered a food contact surface area, and any food contact surface area should be cleaned and sanitized before and after use. Here we have everything that you're going to need for cleaning and sanitizing. Green for suds and general purpose cleaning, including the rack for it. Red pails for sanitizing, as well as bleach, test strips, and tablets, and towels. The type of test strip that you need depends on the sanitizing solution that you're using. If you're using bleach and water, about a capful of bleach per gallon of water is an acceptable sanitizing solution, but what you're really looking for is 50 to 99 parts per million on a test strip. To test the sanitizing solution, simply dip a test strip into the solution and compare it to the guide found in the test strip container. If you're using quaternary sanitizer, you should follow the manufacturer's recommendation for the strength of the solution, but you'll also want to verify that solution with your quaternary test rates using the guide on the package. Regular cleaning and sanitizing of food contact areas or any areas around is a crucial step in preventing cross-contamination and foodborne illnesses. Links to the products in the description below. And remember, at Dine Company, we make food service easier. Thanks for watching today's video. If you'd like another serving of them, how about some fresh out of the oven?